Hello my dear students, welcome back to the lecture series of ICSE 9th Maths. We are doing the chapter Simultaneous Linear Equations, that is chapter number 5. In the previous video, I already taught you the concept of this chapter. Also, I taught you two methods to solve the questions, that is substitution method and elimination method. If you are looking for practice, then you are at the right place, because here I am going to solve all the questions from R S Aggarwal. In many of the videos you can get the concept, but here I am more emphasizing on the practice. So my name is 𝐒𝐵𝗶𝗃 and you are watching 𝐒𝐵𝗃 classes. Let's get started. The sums from R S Aggarwal exercise 5A. So the first question already I explained in video number 1, part 1 of this video. So we are starting from the second question. The second question is 5x plus 4y is equal to 4 and x minus 12y is equal to 20. If you already got the concept, you can pause the video, do the sum on your own and then get it checked from here. Okay. So I will be solving this by substitution method. So I will name this equation as 1 and this equation as 2. Now since I see from 2 it will be easier to find out the value of x. So I'll write from equation 2. I get x is equal to 20 plus 12y and I make this equation number 3. Now I will be substituting this value to equation 1. So I'll write substituting the value of x from equation 3 to equation 1. So 5 put into the value of x is 20 plus 12y plus 4y is equal to 4. So now we'll solve it. 5 into 20 is 100 plus 60y plus 4y is equal to 4. 60 plus 4 is 64y is 4 minus 100. 4 minus 100 is 96. So this will be 64y is equal to minus 96. Or, I'll do it here only, or y is equal to minus 96 upon 64. So this will be 888182. 4243. So the value of y is minus 3 by 2, or we can write minus 1.5. So the value of y is minus 1.5. Now we are going to put this value of y in either of the three equations. Look for the equation where it is going to be easy. So I will be putting it in equation number 1. I think that will be easy. So now I am doing it here, and I will be putting the value of y as 3 by 2, not as minus 1.5, rather as minus 3 by 2. Putting y is equal to minus 3 by 2 in equation 1. So 5x plus 4 into minus 3 by 2 is equal to 4. Here this gets cancelled. So 5x minus 6 is equal to 4. Get minus 6 that side, 4 plus 6, that is 10. So 5x is equal to 10, so the value of x will be 2. So we got the value of x as 2 and y as minus 1.5 or minus 3 by 2. You can write down any of the value. Okay. So this sum was solved by substitution method. Question number 3. X plus 2y plus 9. X plus 2y plus 9 equal to 0. And the other one is 3x plus 4y plus 17 is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. This sum also I am going to solve by substitution method. Since the two equations, after seeing the two equations, I find the first equation is smaller one. So I will be writing from equation 1. From equation 1, x is equal to minus 2y minus 9, and this I name as equation number 3. Now I will be substituting this value to equation number 2. So substituting the value of x from equation 3 to equation 2. So 3 whole into x. X is what? Minus 2y minus 9 plus 4y plus 17 equal to 0. This is my equation 2. Now solve it. This is minus 6y minus 27 plus 4y plus 17 equal to 0. Now minus 6y plus 4y will give you minus 2y. 27 I will send this side. Also 17 I will set this side. So minus 2y equal to 10, or from here I get y is equal to minus 5. So once I get the value of y, I can put it in either of these three equations to get the value of x. I'll put it in equation number 3. So putting y is equal to minus 5 in equation 3. Okay. So my equation 3 is x is equal to minus 2 into y, that is minus 5 minus 9. So minus 2 into minus 5 is 10. So this is 10 minus 9. So that is 1. So the value of x is equal to 1. Okay. Question number 4. 10x plus 3y. 10x plus 3y is equal to 75. This is equation number 1. And the second one is 6x minus 5y is equal to 11, equation number 2. Let us solve this also by substitution method. I'll take the equation 2 because it looks smaller. So I'll write from equation 2, 6x is equal to 11 plus 5y, or x is equal to 11 plus 5y, this whole divided by 6. This is equation 3. Now putting this value in equation 1. So putting the value of x from equation 3 to equation 1. So 10 whole into 11 plus 5y upon 6. So this is your 10x plus 3y is equal to 75. So from here I'll cancel 2, 5, 2, 3. So now let us do this. 5 into 11, that is 55. 5 into 5y, that will give you 25y, divided by 3 is here. 3 plus 3y is equal to 75. Now let us take the LCM. Here nothing is there, means 1. 3 and 1 LCM is 3. So 3 I will take the LCM as 55 plus 25y plus 9y is equal to 75. 25 plus 9 will add them together. So that will give you 34y plus 55 is equal to 75 into 3. 3 goes that side. So 34y, this is 75 into 3, 225, and 55 will go that side, so minus 55. So 34y is equal to 170. Yes, so y is equal to 170 divided by 34. 17, 10, 17, 2, 2, 5. So the value of y is equal to 5. Once we get the value of y, we can put it in 1, 2 and 3. Either of these three equations to get the value of x. I think we will put it here in equation 3. That will be easier. So let me erase this part. I am doing it here. Putting y is equal to 5 in equation 3. X is equal to 11 plus 5 into 5 divided by 6. That is 11 plus 25 divided by 6. 25 plus 11 is 36. 36 upon 6. So the value of x is equal to 6. So here we got the value of x, that is 6, and y, that is 5. So this was our equation number 4. Now let us start with the next question, that is question number 5. 7x minus 2y is equal to 20 and 11x plus 15y plus 23 equal to 0. There is no instruction given that you have to use this method or that method, so you can use any of the method. First few sums I am doing by substitution method, and later on I will be doing all the sums by elimination method. So let us do this question also by substitution method. So I'll name this equation as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. Since I see the equation number 1 is little smaller, so I will take equation number 1 and I'll write from equation 1, 7x minus 2y is 20, or 7x is equal to 2y plus 20, and I'll call this equation number 3. Now I'll directly write from equation 2 and 3. Basically we need to write that putting the value of x. Okay, so from here again it's not complete, sorry. So 7x is equal to 2y plus 20, or x is equal to 2y plus 20 divided by 7. So I call this as equation number 3. Now you can write down putting the value of x from equation 3 to equation 2, but I am now just writing from equation 2 and 3. So my equation 2 is 11 into x. In place of x I will be writing 2y plus 20 divided by 7 plus 15y, and I take my 23 that side, so that gives me minus 23. Now 11 into 2y is 20, 2y plus 11 into 20, 220 divided by 7 plus 15y is minus 23. Now we'll take LCM. LCM is 7. So we'll write 22y plus 220 plus 105y by 7 is equal to minus 23. Here 105 and 22y, these are like terms, we'll add them together, so that will give me 105 plus 22. 105 plus 22 will give me 127. Yeah, so 127y plus 220 is equal to 7 goes that side, so minus 161. Now in the next step I will send 220 that side, so 127y is minus 161 minus 220. So 127y will give me minus 381. Okay, so y is equal to minus 381 upon 127. So it goes by 3. So the value of y is equal to minus 3. As soon as we get the value of y, we can put it in either of these 3 equations to get the value of x. I will put it in the equation number 3 because that will give me directly the value of x. Okay, so I'll just erase this part. I'll write putting y is equal to minus 3 in equation 3. So x is equal to 2 into minus 3 plus 20 upon 7. This is minus 6 plus 20 upon 7. 20 minus 6 is 14 upon 7. So the value is 2. So the value of x we get as 2. Let us proceed towards question number 6. Question number 6 is 7 minus 4x upon 3 is equal to y, and the other equation is 2x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. Let us get this in the standard form. So this is 7 minus 4x is equal to 3y, or 4x plus 3y is equal to 7. So comparing these two equations, I see the second equation is smaller. So I'll be taking the second equation. 2x is equal to minus 3y minus 1, and x is minus 3y minus 1 whole divided by 2. This is my equation 3. Now I'll be writing from equation 1 and 3. So basically I'm going to put the value of x from equation 3 to equation 1. So 4 whole into minus 3y minus 1 upon 2 plus 3y is equal to 7. Here this gets cancelled. 2 into minus 3y minus 6y minus 2 plus 3y is equal to 7. So minus 6y plus 3y will give you minus 3y, and I'll send 2 that side. So 7y plus 2. So minus 3y is equal to 9, or y is equal to minus 3. Once we get the value of y, we can put it in either of these 3 equations. I'll just put it in equation number 3. So put in y is equal to minus 3 in equation 3. So x is equal to minus 3 into minus 3 minus 1 divided by 2. So here minus into minus is plus. 9 minus 1 divided by 2, that is 8 divided by 2, that is 4. So the value of x we get as 4. The question number 7 is 4x minus 3y is equal to 8. This is equation number 1. And 18x minus 3y is equal to 29. This is equation number 2. Now this question I'm going to solve by elimination method. And I want to cancel y over here because already the coefficient of y is same. But I see the signs are same, so we have to go for subtraction. So here we need to write subtracting equation 1 from 2. I am subtracting equation 1 from 2. So first I'll write 2. 18x minus 3y is equal to 29. And now 1. 4x minus 3y is equal to 8. You all know that while subtracting the second equations, all the terms signs will get changed. So we'll change all the signs here. Now 18 minus 4 will give you 14x. 3y plus 3y minus 3y will get cancelled. And here this is 21. So the value of x is 21 upon 14. That is 7372, 3 by 2. And 3 by 2 means 1.5. So we got the value of x, that is 1.5. Now to get the value of y, you can put this value in equation 1 or equation 2. I will put it in equation 1. And I will take the value of x as 3 by 2. Because it's always easy to calculate with a fraction rather than with the decimals. So putting x is equal to 3 by 2 in equation 1. So 4 into 3 by 2 minus 3y is equal to 8. This will get cancelled. 6 minus 3y is 8. Minus 3y is 8 minus 6. So minus 3y is 2, or y is equal to minus 2 by 3. So the answer we are getting that x is equal to 3 by 2 and y is equal to minus 2 by 3. Okay, let's go for the next question. So question number 8 is x plus y minus 8 is equal to 2 is equal to x plus 2y minus 14 by 3 is equal to 3x plus y minus 12 upon 11. So here you can see 3 expressions are equal. I name it as 1, this as 2 and this as 3. So what we can do is we can make first, we can make first 1 is equal to 2, get one equation, and then 2 is equal to 3 or 1 is equal to 3, get another equation and then solve them. Let us first make 1 is equal to 2. So I write x plus y minus 8 upon 2 is equal to x plus 2y minus 14 upon 3. Now we cross multiply. So 3 whole into x plus y minus 8 is equal to 2 whole into x plus 2y minus 14. So now here 3x plus 3y minus 24 is equal to 2x plus 4y minus 28. Now I get the x quantities in the x and y in the same side and constant on the other side. So this is 3x minus 2x plus 3y minus 4y is minus 28 plus 24. Okay, so 3x minus 2x is x minus y is equal to minus 4. This is my equation number 1. Now I can either do 2 is equal to 3 or 1 is equal to 3 to get the other equation. So let me do 1 is equal to 3. So I am taking x plus y minus 8 upon 2 is equal to 3x plus y minus 12 upon 11. Again we cross multiply, so it will be 11 whole into x plus y minus 8 is equal to 2 whole into 3x plus y minus 12. Now let us multiply 11x. This is 11x plus 11y minus 88 is equal to 6x plus 2y minus 24. Again I keep the x and y in the left hand side and constant term on the right hand side. So it is 11x minus 6x plus 11y minus 2y is equal to minus 24 plus 88. 11 minus 6 will give you 5x plus this is 9y and this is 64. So this is my equation number 2. So now you can see that we got two equations. One is x minus y is minus 4 and the other one is 5x plus 9y is equal to 64. So let us solve it by elimination method. So what we'll do is we'll multiply this whole equation number 1 by 5 so that we get 5x. Okay? Or we can multiply by 9 to get 9y. Anything we can do. Let me erase the first part. Okay, so I only need these two equations now. One is x minus y is equal to minus 4 and the other one is 5x plus 9y is equal to 64. This is my equation 1 and this is my equation 2. Rest of the parts can get erased. Okay, this is not required anymore. Okay, now what I'll do is multiplying equation 1 by 9. So I get 9x minus 9y is equal to minus 36. This is my equation 3. Now I see this is plus 9y, this is minus 9y. So I will add the two equations. So I'll write adding equation 2 to 3. Now I'll write equation 2 first. 5x plus 9y is equal to 64. Equation 3, that is 9x minus 9x minus 9y is equal to minus 36. So while adding 9y plus 9y minus 9y will get cancelled. 9 plus 5 here 13x and here it is 28. 1 minute. 9 plus 5 is 14, sorry. So this is 14x is equal to 28 or x is equal to 2. Once we get the value of x2, we can put it in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is small. So putting x is equal to 2 in equation 1. So this is 2 minus y is equal to minus 4. Minus y is equal to minus 4 minus 2. So minus y is minus 6. Minus minus cancels. Y is equal to 6. So we got the value that x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 6. So question number 9 is x upon 7 plus y upon 3 is equal to 5. This is equation 1. And the other equation is x upon 2 minus y upon 9 is equal to 6. So first let us convert this into the standard form. So that means we have to take LCM. Here LCM is 21. So this will be 3x plus 7y is equal to 5. Or 3x plus 7y. I get 21 that side. So that is 105. This is my equation number 3. Same thing we need to do here also. LCM of 2 and 9 is 18. So it will be 9x minus 2y is equal to 6, or 9x minus 2y is equal to, we'll get 18 that side, 108. That is my equation number 4. Now look at equation 3 and equation 4. This is 3x plus 7y 105. This is 9x minus 2y 108. So if I multiply this equation by 3, then I'll get 9x, and here also it is 9x. So that will get cancelled. So multiplying, next step is multiplying equation 3 by 3. So multiply carefully this one. 9x plus 21y is equal to 315. I call it equation number 5. Now I see this is 9x, this is also 9x. Both the 9x's are having the same sign, so we have to go for subtraction. So I'll write subtracting equation 4 from 5. So first I'll write equation 5, that is 9x plus, subtracting, so 9x plus 21y is equal to 315. Other equation is 9x minus 2y is equal to 108. So when we subtract, the signs will get changed. This is minus, this is positive, and this is also minus. This gets cancelled. 21 plus 2 will give you 23y, and here it is 207. Is it correct? 207, yes. Now, so y is equal to what? 207 upon 23. So this goes by 9. So y is equal to, we get 9. Now after we get the value of y, we will put it in either of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any of the equation to get the value of x. Let us look for the smaller equation. I think the third equation is good. So we'll put it in the equation number 3. Let me rub this part. So putting y is equal to 9 in equation 3. So 3x plus 7 into 9 is equal to 105. That is 3x plus 63 is 105. 3x is equal to 105 minus 63. That will give you 242. I'll just erase this part also. This is not required anymore. Okay, so now, so x is equal to 42 upon 3. That is 14. So we got the value of x and y. X is 14 and y is equal to 9. Let us do the last question for today's video. That is question number 10. X upon 6 plus 6 is equal to y and 3x upon 4 is equal to 1 plus y. This is equation 2. So first we need to convert these two equations into the standard form. So let us do x upon 6 minus y is equal to minus 6. I sent the constant term on the right hand side and took the variable in the left hand side. Now taking LCM, 6 is the LCM. So x minus 6y is equal to minus 6. So x minus 6y is equal to minus 36. That is my standard form of this equation. Same thing we'll do over here also. 3x upon 4 minus y is equal to 1. Taking the LCM 4, 3x minus 4y is equal to 1. Sending 4 that side, 3x minus 4y is equal to 4. This is my equation 4. Now look at the two equations. X minus 6y 36, 3x minus 4y is equal to 4. So we will multiply this equation by 3 so that this becomes 3x. Okay. So we'll write multiplying equation 3 by 3. I am doing elimination method. You can also try by substitution method. So this is 3x minus 6 into 3, 18y is equal to minus 108. That's my equation 5. Now both of them are having positive sign, 3x and 3x, so we will subtract them. Okay, so now I am writing in short 5 minus 4. So 5 is 3x minus 18y is equal to minus 108, and this is 3x minus 4y is equal to 4. So while subtracting, we'll change all the sign. This is minus, this is positive, and this is also minus. This gets cancelled. Minus 18 plus 4 will give you minus 14y is equal to, this is minus 112. So minus and minus gets cancelled. So we get y is equal to 112 upon 14. Let us see how much it is coming. 2, 7, 2, 5, 2, 6, 7, 8. So y is equal to 8. Once we get the value of y, we'll put it in equation 3. Okay, so putting y is equal to 8 in equation 3. So x minus 6 into 8 is equal to minus 36. X minus 48 is equal to minus 36, or x is equal to minus 36 plus 48. That is 12. So the value of x is equal to 12. Okay. So we have done the first 10 questions from 5A exercise of R S Aggarwal. In the next video, we are going to continue from the same exercise. We have got something around 25 sums in this exercise. So stay tuned, and thank you so much.